Stop buying bottled water. Most of what you're paying for is the plastic and a lie. In a real crisis, that $2 bottle is the first thing to disappear from the shelves. But what if I told you that you are standing on top of a goldmine of hydration? Right now, beneath your feet and in the very air you breathe, there is enough water to keep your family alive forever. You don't need a $5,000 desalination plant or expensive filters that clog in a week. All you need is $15 and the survival logic that the system has spent decades making you forget. Today, I'm showing you the NASA-grade physics trick that turns dirt, salt, and even sewage into 100% pure medical-grade H2O. This isn't just a hack. This is the end of your water bill and the beginning of your total independence. Most people think they are safe because they have a tap. They are playing a dangerous game. Our modern water grid is a fragile web of chemicals and pumps. If the power grid goes down for just 48 hours, the pressure drops, and bacteria like E. coli and Giardia begin to backflow into your pipes. The infrastructure in the modern world is aging and vulnerable. We rely on massive treatment plants to dump chlorine and fluoride into the water just to keep it safe enough to drink. But when the electricity stops, those pumps stop. When the pumps stop, the pressure that keeps the filth out of your pipes vanishes. You think boiling is the answer? Wrong. Boiling kills bacteria, but it concentrates heavy metals, lead, and arsenic. If you boil poisoned water, you just made the poison stronger. Think about the physics of it. When you boil water, the steam, the pure stuff, escapes into the air. What is left in the pot? A thicker, more dangerous soup of whatever chemicals were there to begin with. To get unlimited pure water, you have to stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like a cloud. Nature has been purifying water for billions of years through distillation. We are simply going to build a microclimate for under $15. To beat the system, you only need 3 basic things that you can find at any hardware store right now. First, you need the membrane. This is a 6x6 sheet of 6 mil greenhouse plastic. It must be clear, not opaque, because we need the sun's UV rays to penetrate the surface. This will cost you about $7. Second, you need the collector. This can be a food-grade 5-gallon bucket, or even just a deep pit you dig yourself. But you need a clean glass or food-safe jar for the center. This costs roughly $5. Finally, you need the sealant, a roll of UV-resistant Gorilla Tape or heavy-duty duct tape. This is $3. That is it. $15 to disconnect from the water grid forever. Here is the science the water companies don't want you to study. We are building what engineers call a hemispherical solar still. When sunlight hits the ground inside our pit, it creates greenhouse energy. The ground absorbs the shortwave radiation from the sun and re-emits it as long-wave infrared heat. This heat is trapped by the plastic membrane, and the temperature inside your pit will rise to over 140 degrees within minutes. This heat forces the moisture in the dirt, or the salt water you poured in, to turn into vapor. Here is the secret. Vapor cannot carry minerals or pathogens. When water evaporates, it leaves the salt, the lead, the bacteria, and the dirt behind. It is a molecular filter that never clogs. The vapor rises, hits our cold plastic membrane, and condenses into pure, distilled droplets. It is a biological reset button. Even if the soil is contaminated with industrial runoff, the process of phase change from liquid to gas ensures that only the pure hydrogen and oxygen molecules make the trip up to the plastic. Step 1. Dig a pit 3 feet wide and 2 feet deep. You want the walls to be as vertical as possible to maximize the surface area of the soil exposed to the heat. The deeper you go, the more ground moisture you unlock from the water table. Step 2. Place your collection cup in the dead center. This is the safe zone. If the cup moves or tilts, the system fails because the contaminated water will seep in. Step 3. Lay the plastic over the hole. Do not pull it tight. You want a sag or a dip in the middle. This is the most important part of the engineering. Step 4. Place a small stone exactly the size of a marble in the center of the plastic, directly above your cup. This creates a conical gravity feed. As the droplets form on the underside of the plastic, they don't just fall randomly. Because of the sag, the weight of the stone forces every single drop to roll slowly to that center point and drip perfectly into your cup. It is a beautiful, silent machine that works while you sleep. If you just dig a hole in dry dirt, you might only get a cup a day. That's for beginners. To get gallons, you need to use the greenhouse injection trick. Fill the bottom of your pit with green vegetation. Use weeds, grass, or even cactus. As the sun hits the pit, the plants go through transpiration. They sweat out their internal moisture to try and stay cool. You are literally harvesting the blood of the plants and turning it into drinking water. Still not enough? Pour your gray water, your laundry water, or even contaminated pond water into the pit around the edges. Do not get it in the cup. The sun will distill the pure water out of the filth, leaving the toxins in the dirt and giving you crystal clear hydration in the center. This system can even desalinate ocean water. The salt is too heavy to evaporate, so it stays in the dirt as a crust while the pure water ends up in your jar. Why isn't this taught in schools? Because you can't meter a hole in the ground. Nestlé and the big water giants want you to believe that water comes from a plastic bottle. They want you to believe that pure means filtered. But filters are a trap. Filters clog. Filters grow mold. Filters cost $50 every 3 months. Our $15 system has no filters. It uses the sun, the most powerful reactor in the solar system, as its engine. This is decentralized power. This is true survival. What if you can't dig? What if the ground is frozen or you're in a rocky area? Then you use the bag method. For $2, you buy a clear trash bag. You tie it around the branch of a living tree, and you seal the opening with your tape. This is called a transpiration bag. As the tree breathes, the moisture is trapped in the bag. In 24 hours, the tree will give you its life force in the form of a liter of pure water. Even in the middle of a drought, trees have deep roots that reach the water table. You are using the tree as a natural straw. Nature is an overflowing tap. You just haven't learned how to turn the handle. A $15 setup can last 5 years if you use UV-stabilized plastic. The only maintenance is clearing the dust off the top. If the plastic gets dusty, the sun can't get through and the greenhouse effect stops. Keep it clean, keep the seal tight, and you have a permanent water source. In a survival situation, the person with the most gold dies first. The person with the knowledge of physics and evaporation survives forever. You now have the blueprint to walk away from the water bill forever. $2 for a seed, $15 for a water machine. You are becoming untouchable. You are breaking the chains of the utility companies and the grocery store traps. But water and food are just the beginning. If you can't protect your home or stay warm, you are still a target. In my next video, I am going to show you the Faraday secret, how to protect every electronic you own from an EMP or a solar flare for the price of a can of soup. The system is built on your ignorance. I am here to build your logic. I'll see you in the next video.